Hey there, what are today's messages? Let's pick a card. Life's not about expecting, hoping, and wishing. It's about doing, being, and becoming. Mike Dooley. What are the action steps? What is one thing you can do today that will move you closer towards becoming the person you want to be? All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's pick this one. I am compassionate. I am healing. I am gifted. I am calm. I am thankful. I am capable. I am happy. I am lucky. I am caring. I am generous. I am grounded. I am wonderful. I am honest. And the last one today, I am radiant. All right, thanks for stopping by. Adios.